Hello mga loves, kamusta kayo? Welcome for another vlog for this day. So guys, for today's video, here lang nakapag-vlog din ako sa ano nila, National Day nila. So for today's video, imimit ko si Rahad guys. Punta ako ng Corniche kasi we're going to watch yung yung fireworks display. So ito na, naglalakad na ako papunta doon. Imimit ko sila kasi nagpipishing sila nung mga friends niya. Pinsan niya yata yun or friends niya, nagpipishing sila. So pupunta ako guys, samahan niyo ako guys. Yun, so sana magustuhan niyo yung vlog natin for today. So ito guys, nagsend si Rahad ng map. So ipapalo ko para puntahan ko siya doon sa area kung saan siya nagpipishing sila ng mga pinsan niya. So, since malapit lang naman dito, so okay lang siya. Puntahan ko siya ngayon. So, as you could see guys, nandito na ako sa area ng Corniche Park. So, sana madali ko siyang mahanap.
In 40 meters.
So, ito, nagmap ako guys para mas madali ko mahanap si Rahad. Mamaya guys, masaya yung celebration ng National Day dito. Kasi meron silang fireworks display sa may Corniche area. So same like last year. But I think this year mas bongga yung gagawin nilang celebration kasi parang ang daming, pati sa decoration nila ngayon parang mas binonggahan nila ng todong-todo eh. So yun guys, sana ma-enjoy natin. So take right daw. Ito na. Feeling ko malapit naman ako. Nakakaingal din maglakad guys. Ayun. So timing naman ng National Day na timing sa day off ko. So sabi ko nga, why not going out? So ito lang din yung chance. Day off ko ngayon tsaka bukas. So malapit na rin umuwi ng Pinas. Ayun guys, so excited na rin ako. Ayun siya. So pag National Day talagang nagse-celebrate yung rito mga tao. Parang sa atin yata the Independence Day yata, parang ganun yung nila.
Take a left onto the path. Then in 40 meters, take a right.
Oh, tinuturuan ako ng map na to. Then magra-right ako rito. So ayan guys, nandito na ako sa may park. Ayan siya. May mga rito, stray cats. Tapos magra-right turn daw ako. So guys, ang dami ng tao dito sa may Corniche Park.
Take a slight right turn.
Ayan siya.
Take a slight right turn.
Ang dami ng tao ngayon guys. So mag-e-enjoy dito mamaya. Ayan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo guys dito yung decoration nila. So malapit na ako guys. Konti na lang. Ay, ang cute. Naalala ko tuloy yung aso ko. Ay, kamukha ni Toby. Ayun siya. Naka-stroller. Hi, kuya. Yeah. So yan guys, ang daming papunta rito sa main park. Kasi manunod sila ng fireworks display mamaya. Yan siya. Tapos may mga sayawan, ganon. Tapos may mga nag-i-spray sila ng kung ano-ano guys. Ganon yung nila. So halos nandito na ako. Tapos magle-left na lang. Left turn na ako. Grabe guys, ang ganda rito. Ang ingay guys. Ayan siya, ang daming tao guys. Mga nagpupuntahan dito sa may Corniche Park. Guys, yung tunnel nila rito ang ganda-ganda. Naka-tile siya, both side ng wall niya. Ayan siya. Tapos maliwanag. May mga lights din. Alam ko sa atin sa Pilipinas, nini-develop na rin ni Yorme yung yung Manila. So maganda na rin talaga siya. So 10 points sa ating Yorme. Isko Moreno. Yan. Galing niya. May picture ako sa kanya before na nag-visit siya rito sa may Dubai. Doon siya. So sabi niya na nagpa-picture ako, tapos sabi niya sana kasing ganda nga daw ng Pilipinas. wala namang imposible, basta maging ano lang responsible lang talaga yung mga tao. Lalo na yung mga namumuno sa Pilipinas. Yun siya. So ito na, malapit na ako. Ayan guys, so may mga dala silang mga food to celebrate the National Day. So, saan ba yung tirahan? Tatawagan ko lang siya guys ha. Nandito na ako sa may area kung saan ko siya i-meet. Ayan siya. Ayan guys yung decoration nila ng National Day. So dito bongga talaga guys. Nilalagay sila ng mga lightings. Ayan siya. Wait, hanapin ko lang si si Rahad.
A few moments later.
Guys, eto na si Rahad. Say hi.
Hi everyone, how are you?
Say happy National Day to you.
Happy National Day.
Guys, ayan, nakita na rin kami finally. Because now it's dark here, no?
Yeah,
So yun.
guys, today hunting fish, you know?
So today we're going to celebrate the National Day for UAE, right?
Yeah.
You eat popcorn?
No,
Huh?
I
You finish? You bring food? With your cousin?
bring me 3 hour waste, but not coming one fish. I don't know why.
No, not coming when there's a people. You will not catch. Because
Yeah.
they hear, they
Or maybe
nakakarinig
some
ba yung
people
isda
say
guys? Pakiano
after
nga ako,
12 o'clock
pakikorek kung nakakarinig sila. So yung palaro silang nakuwang isda. Maybe because the weather now is cold. So the fish they feel cold.
Yeah, no. Fish may be shy because too much people there, na. Then
Sabi ni Rahad, baka raw naiaraw dahil because there's a lot of people they feel shy, no?
too much people say fish coming midnight, like after 12.
So Mina is on that area, right?
Yeah, this one.
Mina area.
Mina have too much fish, but I don't go. What time starting firework?
I think 8 o'clock.
How can 8 o'clock? Because 12 o'clock, na?
Huh? How come?
Number start 12 o'clock.
No, they will do it here 8 o'clock in the evening fireworks because they started National Day yesterday 12 o'clock last night. But the fireworks display will be later.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I know this. See, that's why a lot of people now started to come on that
There we see, na? There we
that
see.
area. That area. We need to
We
go
go this
there. Yeah. You bring car?
You are also beside, na? There not have parking.
Then tell to your cousin to go there later. On that side, we need to find
Okay,
now.
okay, we'll go. Maybe this side not.
We
find
can buy
park.
shawarma, no?
Huh?
Shawarma.
Where?
So we have food to eat while watching the.
Yeah, after first we watch na firework, then we go na. I buy shirt this one 50,
Okay.
1.5.
What
not-
color? Gray? Light gray?
Yeah.
So guys, ang OOTD ni Rad ngayon is 50.
This one 35 and this one 50.
So,
Like
like almost 100, no? Okay.
no,
35 and 50, 85.
50 not
85.
1.5, 15. This one 15, this one 35. Like total
15. So around
Yeah.
55 like that, yeah.
Guys, you know I'm not a rich man now because my friend know I'm.
No, he will become famous when he started vlogging. No? Support him. He will make
Yeah,
a vlog.
please support
Follow
me,
him.
My Facebook account also monetized, but no have viewership. What
Yeah.
I do?
Just follow and view and share, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's your name in
then
your?
why you not sharing?
What's your name? Your vlog in
My vlog page name Mr. Rahat.
Rahad. Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Rahat. We are
Hello.
rich. You check now.
It's okay, I make vlog.
My no, why you shoot me?
Hello, Kuya.
This is my brother.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Kuya. Yeah. I'm making vlog, Kuya.
This is my
Yeah.
cousin.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, good. Nice to meet you. Yeah. I'm making vlog. Ah, there's a cat here. You get fish? You get fish? No fish?
No fish.
Hi, Kuya.
Yalla, come there now. There.
You want to take? See?
हाँ वो मैं इतना मशहूर हुआ ना कि मैंने समझा है लोग के पूछते हैं ना वो क्या ड्राइवर मैं तो ड्राइवर ही ना तो गड्डी को मैंने नाल लेके जाता
Ayan guys, may pusa dito. Kawawa naman sila. Hello! Hello! So ayan guys, nagpipishing si Kuya. Kuya, what are you putting on the...
Jinga.
Huh?
झींगा
It's a food?
yeah झींगा
Food.
you know
The worm. Worm.
yeah
Worm.
you eat झींगा ना
Ah, you know how to fish, huh? You're doing that, Kuya, in Pakistan? You're doing fishing in Pakistan?
yeah
You make fishing also?
you have
Ah,
too much
okay.
experience
Ah, okay. How much like that?
अदा
Ah,
कितने कितने दिया
expensive?
no he buy second hand like Facebook
Ah, okay.
market
Ah,
like
marketplace. Ah, good, nice, no?
200. yeah
But here, Kuya, when you fishing, you need to have permit or no need permit?
yeah permit
Permit?
we bring today
Ah, the
two
online.
license.
Online?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
125
So next time we will go fishing, no?
Yeah,
But
tomorrow
now
we
because
go.
Kuya,
Go with me tomorrow.
now too much people, no? That's why no fish.
No, they no have also. We go tomorrow fishing area.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we go fishing area Hamim. You know Hamim?
Ah, the one we go before.
Yeah.
With the big flag.
It big flag. They have too much.
Kuya, how are you? Now later, too many people there, no?
This is my big brother. You know.
Yeah.
You also know, no?
No, not yet. Last time we meet.
Yeah, but you check my picture, na, with my brother.
Ah, yeah.
Popcorn.
Give, Kuya.
Yeah.
Yeah, give. Yeah. Kuya, later may fireworks here coming.
Yeah, we go this side.
Ah, 8 o'clock. See, I told you 8 o'clock. 8
don't
o'clock.
know. I tell you. नहीं इत्थों नहीं करना ना वो तो जाना करना या टांटा पे जाना करना
Maybe he like minks. Don't eat the plastic. Ah.
how much expensive this one
This one 1,800
हाँ
dirham. Yeah. So guys, there's a floating boat there. Floating cruise. Eating, right? They are eating inside, no?
yeah
Huh? Dancing party, huh? Inside.
dancing and
You see, guys, here you will enjoy the place. Close to the sea, this street. Kuya, this street is Corniche, right? Corniche Street.
yeah this one corner street
So later, many people will dancing here in the street. Then fireworks coming.
I have a पिछले साल
Yeah. So yan, tapos na sila mag-fishing, guys. So papunta na kami dun sa may area ng say hi to the family.
Hi everyone, how are you? I'm coming again. You too much miss me.
Tell to your family in Pakistan. Hi.
You know, this is my cousin, Mr. Adil, and this is my big brother. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, first time coming.
This is
Very
the
happy.
brother and the cousin of Rakat. So they go here for fishing, but sadly they don't get fish because the fish is also holiday now celebrating.
Yeah, maybe.
The fish celebrating National Day also. Yeah, they will do fireworks under the sea. See the view.
So good view na.
Ah. Every year, no, they are celebrating.
Yeah, every year.
Ayan guys, yung ano nila decoration.
You know, it करके फिर बनाना है वीडियो तो चलता पे अपने मोबाइल से एडिट कर
Nag-ano sila rito. TikTok. So guys, nag-enjoy yung mga tao dito. Nag-ano sila, shooting ng mga TikTok. So yun guys. So Kuya, how long you been here? Your cousin?
This is new, na? This
Kuya,
is,
you are
like,
new?
Like, finish.
2 years?
Yeah.
Ah,
I'm
Kuya.
After 15 years.
So long years they are living in Abu Dhabi. Yes. In Pakistan now cold, no?
Too much.
Huh? Philippines still hot.
Still hot?
Mm.
Why?
I don't know.
No have
Winter.
winter, no?
Now the weather changing there in Philippines. Maybe soon Philippines will become like a desert.
Bharat.
Hmm. So ayan guys, dami ng tao. See a lot of people now coming.
I put this material in.
So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa may Corniche Park. So ang dami ng tao rito. Maya-maya magsisimula na yung fireworks. So naglalakad-lakad lang muna kami. Papunta dun sa may area kung saan gaganapin yung fireworks. So better you park there, no? You park there, that side. Because later you will walk.
But they are not available parking.
Ah, really?
This side is
They
free.
close. Yeah.
No, all park is full. How can we find?
Ah, they have fountain now here.
Yeah.
Before no fountain like this. No?
No, before that.
Ah, really? I didn't see this before.
Before that. Long route have.
So guys, this is a long road going to the Arctic.
Yeah.
So what you can say about these people? People around.
You upload? Last vlog or no?
Yeah, which one? Ah, not yet, not yet.
Why?
Not yet. I'm editing.
Only a thing?
Yeah, I'm still editing. So yan guys, you can see a lot of Pakistani, Bangladesh, Indian
All national
people here. Yeah.
Because all people want to see
The fireworks, yeah. Fireworks is good. Si kabayan. Mga kabayan nagja-jogging.
Why so hard? How automatic?
Yeah, he said kabayan.
I sell na. Why hard? Too much hard get to that.
No problem. Yala, show me on my camera. See guys, this is how they celebrate.
Oh, see? Oh my god. Piche that is side there. Too much.
It's okay. Good that I'm wearing eyeglass. Otherwise, my eyes will be full of.
Maybe this I have also see.
Huh?
You don't have tissue against that?
No, that's fine.
Why you not run?
No, it's
Me
okay.
also run.
Just
दिला भेज रहा है आ गया. They have water.
no problem. This like alcohol only.
What?
Later
Alcohol?
Yeah. No more.
have backside only. It's okay.
It's okay, they're enjoying. No problem.
Yeah.
So guys, nag-enjoy kami rito. Wait. Just keep this on. Like that. Click to you. Then later click like that. My ears too much.
Yeah.
Only
It's okay. Just 5 minutes. You go.
They're locals, no?
Yeah, local.
Kids, yeah. So guys, mga locals yun. So ganun sila rito sa UAE pagka National Day. May bit-bit sila ng spray.
Yeah,
So
spray.
hindi ka pwede magalit
Foam.
kasi
Foam.
ano nila yun eh. Traditional nila yun. Traditional day of celebrating.
This is now.
Hi guys, ito na. I'm so dirty.
It's okay na. Today's fun day na. All people want fun today. So guys, my cousin too much tried now. See, they sitting there because we are also 4 hour, 5 hour there. But not coming fish na. What I do?
This is not clean water. Not clean.
Not clean, just not drinking. But no have smell there. Yeah. People want to see firework.
And going out with friends and family.
Yeah.
Like, so, abangan nyo guys yung fireworks mamaya. Mag-start na siya ng 8 o'clock. So, ipopost namin yung fireworks display. So, makita nyo siya kung gaano kaganda, gaano nila sinaselebrate, pinagandaan yung National Day.
Yeah. Okay, good.